Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Grams 28 cover. This is nice leather. And this will work for your iPad or your Macbook. So there's some details right here. The leather is very nice on the outside. It's nicely padded all the way around. And as you can see on the corner, it's slightly open, so it doesn't rip when you put your device in or take your device out. Here's on the other side, the corner that's open. And then further looking inside, it's nice felt lining on the inside. Right there. And that is a thick lining. And then on the outside, you have an additional pocket. And then you can store really whatever you want with nice lining that's padded right here as well. So all of this will stay connected, so nothing will fall out, and your device will be secure when you take it around in the Grams 28 leather case. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.